Yeah, makes total sense. I have a question. I was at one point of my career, I was a vendor on ClickBank. I had my own product on ClickBank, and I hosted it over there because of the promise that there are hundred thousands of affiliates, and you just have to put it on the marketplace, and people will start promoting it. Yeah, that's. But
I assume nobody promoted it. That's why you have now a question. Or
yeah,
barely.
well, the question is, so here's what happened. After 3, 4, 5 weeks, the product had 400 different affiliate IDs promoting it. But it was all mostly SEO sites like these auto blogs. They don't write the review themselves. They just, I don't know, they write maybe one review and then they copy it 100 times. I don't know how it works, but from for someone who has no experience working with affiliates, like now I cannot say I had 400 affiliates. I just had 400 IDs promoting it.
How many you had that were really running it, where you say like, okay, this was like serious stuff?
It was me only running the campaigns. So I have no way to contact them. So basically I had an affiliate page. They could sign up to get the banners and email templates and whatever. But how, if I would do it again, how would you recommend I reach out and find affiliates to really promote it?
Okay, this is of course depending fully on your personal situation and what type of offer you have, but some stuff is generally working a lot. And this is the first thing is to reach like your own circle. So you practically, we are, for example, in this German group. So for example, saying like, hey, I have this and that, who wants to run it, like Sergey is doing.
Yep.
That is already giving you, if the offer is in some way relevant to anybody there, like the opportunity to talk. Then are all these other Telegram groups where you can post it. Then you can share it on your own social media. You can share it on your LinkedIn. And then if this is all not working or if this is all not enough, yeah, well, then you have to go the hard way and you have to make really the sales for it. So
Yeah.
that means that you have to do it either offline, that you are visiting some of the conferences and you network there and you go to booth and see who wants to run that. And of course, because then you have only networks and maybe if you're lucky, like big media buying teams. But in general, you have to go to the meetups as well, where all the affiliates are hanging out and see who can run it there. Maybe you can even speak to your rep in this company in ClickBank. If you meet them on the conference and say like, bro, I'm really not getting it off. Don't you have like 10 affiliates that are running something similar and suggest it to me? And it's like a different thing if you are just like an anonymous number with 400 IDs that are not running your shit.
Exactly.
Or if
Yeah.
you are meeting this guy on the conference and say like, come on, for 10 minutes quickly for a beer. I would really like to do more with you, but I'm not getting it off. That will definitely give you more success. Yeah, and then you have to go through all the pages, SEO pages that are in some way relevant to it,
Yeah.
and contact them. And after a while, you have hopefully a critical amount of traffic coming in so that other affiliates that are looking for the next big thing are finding that and running that as well. So this is something that is practically working for every vertical and for every offer.
Like the outreach. So outreach to people who are already running it. Then ideally, if you have a network of affiliates, in all my friends are media buyers basically and
Yeah.
affiliates. So have them, and also going to the conferences and speaking first with other affiliates, but also with Digistore if you sell it there, for example.
Now look, the people are asking always for informations from the people what for the other side. On a weekly base, even me not managing too many affiliates at Masters in Cash, I get requests from affiliates. Yo, bro, I want to scale more in this and this market. What network you can recommend me to buy traffic? This is like such a common request. So let's say if that would be like a new network and it has some kind of inventory already, I would, for example, recommend it if I know, hey, they have something interesting to sell. On the other hand, if you have like good connections with some networks and you have an offer that would fit for the traffic that they are having, then you can say like, hey, the next time you have somebody that is asking you for a new offer, recommend me.
Yeah. And you offer a
That's
kickback as well, or
that is often not even needed. I mean,
yeah,
if it's like this small introductions, then people are often happy just to do it if you are like a cool person.
yeah,
But I would always remember this favor and say like, hey, this person started. Here's like a Amazon voucher, or hey, on the next conference, stake on me or something like this.
yeah, yeah,
That's something how it functions. For example, for the people that are sending us a lot of candidates and so on, or companies, we are sending out suits. You know, I have this AFPAL suits, all this flamboyant outfits that I
yes,
cannot wear here in the countryside of Romania because they would think I'm some
crazy.
transgender or something like this. So, yeah, but I wear them on the conferences and I love it, and
Yeah,
it's my personality. It's not like a costume.
yeah,
And people compliment me for that, but they don't know where to buy it, and they would maybe also not be bold enough to buy it or make like the last consequence, like the homie that I said that can afford the Michelin star restaurant, but he
yeah,
would not do it himself.
exactly.
So I buy these suits and I give it to them like as a thank you. Yo, bro, I could cash in 2K. Here is a suit for you. These
Nice.
kind of favors are helping, and what helps a lot as well is if you are doing yourself favors to the people, and often not even the people themselves, but to their friends. They remember it even more if you help their friends than
Yeah,
themselves. That's also giving you access to a lot of
opportunities later.
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
For example, what I do as well is a lot of people are asking me for like side events on conferences.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember that when I was, how shall I say it? I don't want to sound arrogant, but when I was just Stefan without the AFPAL, on every conference, I had a problem to which event I can even go in the evening. I had to go to the official party because nobody wanted to have me on their event. Why they should?
Yeah.
I'm not an affiliate. Why they should invite me there? And I drink a lot, so I'm just like a cost factor, right?
Yeah.
So now it's a different story because first I'm now not only like an affiliate manager or managing a program. I helped hundreds of people with like finding jobs and companies on the same side. There are many companies out there that have used my books and my channels to train their team, and I invite people to the podcast for their own personal branding. Beside, of course, doing a good beside them doing a good job. So now I get usually a lot of invites, and people that I know that are like big affiliates of big companies, and they are going the first time to a conference in a while or the first time to this conference. They have no invites. So they are asking me, and I just write people and say like, hey, look, I have these friends. Can they come to your event as well? I can vouch for them. They are not competitors of you. It's exactly the opposite. They are looking for new traffic sources and so on.
Yeah.
And then they say, yeah, of course you can bring them. And first I connect them on the event. So I introduce the host with the people that I brought because I think there is like some connection to make. And that's already helping both of these sides. And later on, when I need like a favor, it's easier for me to ask these people as well
Yeah.
and say like, hey, I know that you are growing your media buying team. I'm sitting at the moment on 8 media buyers that would match your profile. Do you want to recruit them from me? Then speak to my recruiters. It's a way easier thing than if I would just write them on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
I
If you
see
only
that.
want something like, yeah.
Yeah. So I think the biggest secret of success in this industry when it comes to networking is to help people in a genuine way with
Yeah.
things that are easy for you.
Yeah.
If you have to work 1 hour to help somebody, that's like not worth it. But if it's like a quick thing, always do it.